How much could the Dovahkiin actually carry? This is Hammerspace. Before we can answer that question, we need to lay out some ground rules to prevent infinity from coming into the picture. Number 1. Our Dovahkiin will only level up stamina. Number 2. The maximum level of our Dovahkiin is 81, as he will not take legendary skills at any point. Number 3. Items with an in-game weight of 0 are not considered. And number 4. No buffs from enchantments, potions, or anything else are allowed. At level 1, the Dovahkiin has a carrying capacity of 300 weight units. After 80 levels, with an additional carrying capacity of 5 added each time, our Dovahkiin has a carrying capacity of 700 weight units. So how much is a weight unit in the real world? First, we need to find something with a real-world equivalent. A bottle of Surly Brothers wine from the Hearthfire expansion looks similar in shape and size to a real-world bottle of wine, which weighs about 1.36 kilograms. The bottle takes up 0.5 weight units, giving us a ratio of 2.72 kilograms per weight unit. This gives the Dovahkiin a carrying capacity of 1,904 kilograms, or about half a hippopotamus. Let's aim for more. Cheese wheels tend to be heavier than you may think, so up next we have the Idar cheese wheel. Idar cheese does not exist in the real world, but it looks an awful lot like a blue cheese. Gorgonzola Dolce is a blue cheese with an approximate density of 0.924 grams per cubic centimeter. Doing some rough volumetric measurements of the in-game cheese wheel, we found that its weight would be about 10.46 kilograms. At an in-game weight of 2 weight units, the cheese gives us a weight ratio of 5.23 kilograms per weight unit, meaning that the Dovahkiin can carry a total of 3,661 kilograms. This allows us to attach the second half of the hippopotamus. However, Skyrim has gold bars, which it vastly underestimates the weight of. Using the dimensions of a human heart for easy in-game to real-world comparison, we determined the volume of a gold ingot to be 1,148.45 cubic centimeters. An ingot is generally around 99.9% pure gold, which has a density of 19.3 grams per cubic centimeter. That means that the in-game gold bar weighs 22.16 kilograms. Since a gold ingot is exactly 1 weight unit, the conversion is very simple. To give you an idea of how ridiculous this is, here are some in-game objects, and their corresponding real-world weights. A bee is as heavy as a Mr. Coffee 12-cup Switch coffee maker. A longbow weighs about as much as Hulk Hogan on a diet. An iron sword is comparable to the weight of 4.3 toilets. And you could probably stop a car with Daedric armor, as it weighs as much as an adult female short-finned pilot whale. If you were to walk outside wearing nothing but an adult female Dalmatian and a particularly large watermelon on your head, you are now carrying the same amount of weight as everybody else in Skyrim. Add a cement block to that if you have a pen on your Dalmatian. So where does that leave the Dovahkiin? With a carrying capacity of 700 weight units, the Dovahkiin can carry a staggering 15,512 kilograms. How much is 15,512 kilograms? Well, the Dovahkiin can carry 1 Steinway Empire Studio upright piano, a Winnebago Sunstar, Keanu Reeves, the XXXG-01D2 Gundam Death Scythe, 1 of every Magic card ever printed as of January 12, 2015, 1 Siaga Infinity INF5B beverage vendor, and 1,691 copies of Skyrim DVD and case. All without being too encumbered to run.